Dual lens camera. The product is equipped with 3 cameras in front and inside the car, which can comprehensively observe the road conditions in front and inside and behind. Reverse image capture. Reverse image capture function can easily record important details such as license plate when reversing. The loop recording function ensures that the device continuously records and overwrites old footage, making it a reliable source of evidence. High-definition video. The product captures high-definition video to provide clear and detailed front and rear road images.